Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel My Mind is Art. So in today's video we are going to unbox ALICIA SOUZA's 2023 planner plus freebies. So I ordered this from their launch day on 26th November I guess, and I got this for around 6500 rupees, and I have ordered the trio as well as the box of freebies. So the parcel came on 3rd December, which is today itself, and it came in this huge corrugated cardboard box, and this was like very heavy. So when I opened it I can see the big box of freebies on top, and then there was the trio box. The box was very heavy and it was a task to lift it. It was like really heavy. Let's start by unboxing the big box of freebies. I was really excited to try this because I've seen other YouTubers and people trying this out. So this is all that it has: a wristlet, a pencil pouch, set of two tin candles, magnetic bookmark, and so on. Now let's open it, and the first thing that I can see is this pouch for our specs, which is our like chashma, a case for our specs, and this is a beautiful leather types material with such beautiful print. The quality is really good. The next thing that was there was this notepad which says Little Notes Big Dreams. It is again of very good quality, and I feel sad because it is not lined. I would have liked it better if it would have been lined, but that's okay. The next thing that I could see was this stationery pouch which has a phone case holder as well, like so. And the pouch is of really very good quality, and the zipper is of very good quality. It's quite spacious. I actually like absolutely love the zipper, and it has Alicia Souza written there, engraved there basically. The next thing that I could see was this wristlet, and this is so cute. I absolutely loved it. It's so good, and the golden accents look so beautiful, and it feels so like it feels such good quality, and I loved it. It is very nice. It can be used as a keychain, or you can just install it in your purse or a handbag. The next thing was these magnetic bookmarks. Like, I'm really impressed by this idea. I haven't seen anything of this kind ever before, so this was a first time for me, and I like the concept. It's nice. They came in four colors: pastel green, pastel yellow, pastel blue, and pastel pink. I absolutely like this. Oh, I'm just struggling to open it. The next thing in there was the sticky notes, and again, these are of very good quality. The paper quality is very nice and very thick, and I'm sure they like we won't have to be worried about the bleeding. But yeah, it's of really good quality. The next thing was these two jars of scented candles, and they are huge. Like, if we saw on Alicia's Instagram, they like I felt like it's very small, but it's of really good quality, and they are huge in size. They come in two variants. The first one is lavender plus vanilla, and the next one is eucalyptus and rosemary. Both of them are really nice. I'll try and let you know how does it work and how does it smell, or does it are they fragrant enough to make the room fragrant enough. So yeah. This is the second one, eucalyptus and rosemary. And the last product from the big box of freebie is this weekly magnetic meal plan. So I really like this. I had been looking for something like this from really long, and I got it in my big box of freebies. So I'll just stick it on to my fridge, and then I can simply log my daily meal plan as well. It comes with a whiteboard marker as well, and it is very easy to use. And yeah, so I've been into planners from the last 3 years, but honestly, I haven't been so consistent with them. Like in 2020, I started by creating Bujo bullet journal. Then I bought Space and Beauty's planner in 2021, and in 2022 as well, I bought Space and Beauty planner. So this is my fourth year of using a planner, and this time I wanted to try from Alicia Souza because I loved her design. So yeah, these are all the freebies that we will receive in this year's planner. Along with this year's planner, now let's move on to the unboxing of the trio. Okay, so first of all, let me appreciate this huge box. It is so lovely, and yes, it says, "Isn't it lovely?" in this golden, beautiful foiled print, and I absolutely love it. It's so sturdy, so good quality, and definitely can be used for storage after like we are done with the planner. So yeah, it's really, really, really thick, very good quality. And upon opening, I can see the three things. The first one is the kindness calendar 2023. The next thing is the planner box, and the last thing is the everyday Nicene calendar. Now first let's move on to the kindness calendar. Let me unwrap the calendar first, and I think this is a wall calendar. I'm not sure because it comes with a loop which can be hung upon. Now this is a thick cardboard packaging, and I'm sorry, but I did not know that we can just undo like that. So I was just trying to unlock it, and I tore it a little bit, but yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. Once I open it, I realize, oh, I could have just done that. So the first thing is have a lovely 2003 with this beautiful print on a butter paper. And now here we have the kindness calendar 2023. It looks of really good quality. Again, the print is very nice, very, very, very nice. This is the jute thread that I was talking about. And the first is January, and moving forward we have February and so on. I have included the flip through of all these months. Every month has a different caricature drawing. And finally, after December, we have this beautiful quote, which is, "You are all sorts of wonderful." And then we have again 3 to 4 sheets of stickers. Very good, very premium quality stickers. And then we have a pocket which we can use to keep our notes, letters, or anything of our choice. It's in a beautiful purple, orange, and golden colored theme. So the next thing that we have is the Everyday Niceness Calendar 2023. So let me unwrap it. Again, the box is of very, very, very good quality, very sturdy material, can be used for storage. So let's unbox it. Beautiful. It's in very beautiful light blue and pastel yellow color. Wow, beautiful. I absolutely loved it. The box is very, very, very good. Well, that is the Everyday Niceness Calendar. It's like a journal or a diary which we can use every day. So basically it is spiral bound, and I like the quality of the spiral. It's in light blue color and it has a magnetic closure. So it's basically a diary, or can be used as a desk calendar as well. So upon opening the first page is a note from Alicia. May you have a great year, and so on. And then we have the monthly spreads. I have again included the flip through of all the months. The first one is January, and then February, March, and so on. Again, all the months have beautiful drawings And after December, we have a few pages for our notes or so. These are dotted grid pages, and again there are quite a few pages, around 10 to 20 pages, and yeah, it's nice. And after that we have another 3 to 4 sheets of stickers. And then we have a pocket. I saw the happy birthday sticker and I couldn't stop myself from putting it on my birthday, which is 11th February. So yeah, that's it for this calendar, everyday niceness calendar. Loved it. Okay, so now finally let's start unboxing the planner box, and we have all these 3 items along with the thank you note that comes inside it. So let's get started. So again, the box is so beautiful and wrapped in a polythene. So first I'll unwrap it, and I know I'm saying this again and again, but the boxes are of such good quality, very sturdy material, and definitely can be used for storage. The print of the box is very pretty with these such cute doodles, colorful doodles. They are very beautiful glossy print types, engraved doodles, and I love them. It's a beautiful pink colored box. Again, at the back of the box we have ALICIA SOUZA's branding. And now finally let's open the box. Okay, so upon opening, the first thing that I see is this beautiful pocket planner, which comes in this beautiful grayish mintish green color, and again it has doodles all over, such beautiful gold foil doodles. And upon opening we have this little planner belongs to absolutely wonderful Tanvi. Then we have the yearly spreads for the year 2023 and 2024. Then we have monthly spreads. First we have this notes and goals and to-dos with some space for gratitude. And then we have this spreadsheet, like monthly spreadsheet for every month, and then that's it, like this we have for every month. And we have this beautiful doodles as well inside the planner. This is a very cute A5 pocket planner and I absolutely like it. And then at the end we have a pocket as well to keep our little notes and tiny tips and bits. Oh, before that we also have some dotted grid pages. Oh, by the way, yes, the quality of the paper is very thick. I am not sure how much GSM it is, but it is very thick and very nice. One thing is for sure, that ALICIA SOUZA never compromises on the quality. The next thing is so beautiful, a wonderful big book of stickers by ALICIA SOUZA, and oh my god, I am so spellbound by the cover of this booklet. Like, look at it, so glittery. I liked it, I loved it. So beautiful. It has all sorts of stickers, these bookmarks, and then these are funny stickers, some captions and celebratory stickers. There are so many beautiful stickers. Then there are blank stickers as well. I love this booklet. Then we have a thank you note which reads, "It's been one of those extra short years which seem to have ended before they have been started. Also one of those years that have its share of those long days, etc. blah 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 blah." You can read it for yourself. After that we have another beautiful doodled butter paper. Then we have the planner finally. Yeah. Sorry for that, but I'm so excited, and it's a beautiful purple colored planner. Again, checking the quality of the box, super sturdy. Sorry if you're already bored by this comment, but yeah, it is what it is. And now let's move on to the planner. This is a beautiful purple colored planner, purple and pink themed. The spiral is very good quality purple colored, and last year I saw it was golden, and honestly I would have liked it if it was golden this year as well. And the planner has doodles all over the front and the back with some hints of gold foil as well. It has this beautiful purple colored strap as well, and a pen loop as well. This is purple with hints of glitter. Now let's open the planner and let's see what's inside it. So upon opening, the first page is, on the left side we can paste a picture, as in kiska hai ye planner, who does this belong to, and on the right side we can write the name. This planner belongs to Tanvi Gupta. And then next we have a list of holidays, but these are all English holidays and they rarely have a few of the Indian holidays. And then we have the personal information page, emergency contacts page. Then we have the yearly spread calendar 2023 and 2024. After that we have a page for a letter from us to us. So yeah, we can write a letter and then keep it. You can write a letter to your future self as well, or you can simply write an annual birthday letter. On the next page we have an option of writing a letter to a future self, so you can use this. This is a very good concept and I think we all should do this. After that we have annual accounts sheet, and it has monthly bills and expenses and everything for the whole year. I think we should have got more pages for this. Then we have this random page, and finally we have the monthly spread for January. Again, the first card is like, it is a card material, it is not a paper material, and it's like really good quality, and all the months have segregations like this. Again, beautiful glossy caricature drawing here. The first page has January and it has notes, to-dos or reminders. Then we have the monthly calendar spread, and these are beautiful boxes starting from Sunday 1st. And then we have a notes area as well on the right corner. Then we have the weekly spreads, and so generally people write their daily to-dos, their daily to-dos, but I like to write kind of a journal entry in these spaces. And then we have a blank page for the last day of January. And then we have a monthly habit tracker. We have option of tracking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 habits color coordinated for the whole month. Then we have notes for our health and moods. Then we have a space for writing words of motivation, or we also have a period tracker to track our symptoms, moods, flow, etc. Then we have the monthly meal plan column, and we have ample space for writing meal plan for whole month. And then we also have a notes option where we can write a grocery list maybe. And after that we have the monthly wellness tracker where we can track our mood, sleep or exercise done. Well, that's it for the monthly spreads. We also can write wins or things to improve here. And then we have an empty dotted grid doodle sheet. And similarly, we have the monthly spread for all the months. I have shown a flip through of the card of a few months here. You can see. After that, at the end of December, we have an annual sheet which shares highlights of the year, or books I've read, or movies I've loved this year. And after that, we have some dotted grid pages. And then we have these beautiful bookmarks, and also a pocket to keep our letters and things. After that, I was trying to close the planner from this side, but I was unable to, so I had to do it the other way. And yep, that's it. This is it for the planner. I love this year's planner. The quality is so good. I'm so impressed. It's so sturdy and such a good quality thick material planner. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Let me know what other videos would you like to see from my channel. Bye bye, take care.